Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. What did we got today and what can we expect for tomorrow, Tuesday, October 10th? For the record, today is Monday, October 9th. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So first of all, a message. Tomorrow I will not be trading. So for the members, I won't be able to update my charts. But in this video, I will just explain what I am waiting for. Actually, not much has changed. Well, we had a lot of movement today. As you can see, quite some moves since Friday, but actually not really moves that that changes our analysis like in the DAX. And actually it's a bit the same across the board for all indices. Like what we are still looking at is here, this low, like this has not changed for now. I believe if we hold this low, this can be really the low in the higher time frame. Then, so the low of the correction. But like I told you, what I want to see is from here 5 waves up, and so for now we only have still three. I would see it as a wave 1 here, a wave 2 here, and then here probably a wave 3. So we are still waiting for this fifth wave. And yeah, for now, this can still be an ABC structure. So we are again somewhere in between. I think the market has to decide. A good sign would be to have this 5 waves up here, but then the real test will follow when we correct this structure here. Then this low has to hold, and if we hold this low, then then there is a good chance that this was the low in the higher time frame correction. But for now, we simply need more data. Like I tried to label this, but to be honest, this can be anything for now. So we need a bit more data. A first good indication for the bullish case would be here an additional high, but then, like I said, the real test will be the correction of this structure here. For now, there is still a lot of overlap, as you can see, so can be a leading diagonal, but can be a corrective structure as well. What's positive, or I mean positive for the bullish case, we are holding an upward cycle right here. Also, if we look at the daily, that's also the case. We are still holding an upward cycle. Like we tried to break here, but we went back in. Also in the 4 hour, we are holding here an upward cycle. Last Friday we returned from here, but I think if we come back here, it will be to break this downward cycle that we started from here. And then in the daily, we are also trying to get out of this downward cycle right here. And if we break in the 4 hour, or if we hold in the 4 hour, then we should also break here in the daily. So these are good indications for the bullish case, or arguments that support the bullish case. But still, we cannot neglect here in the weekly, like I said in my higher time frame analysis, we are still bearish here in the weekly. So we cannot say that we are in a positive or in a bullish cycle in the higher time frame for now. But yeah, the reversal has to happen at some point. So before turning here into a bullish cycle, this first has to happen. on the lower time frame, and this can be the case right now. However, like I said, we still have to be careful with early conclusions. If we look here at the 15-minute, I have to repeat, this can still be anything. The real test for the DAX will follow once we have a fifth wave here, and we then correct this structure. Then this low here needs to hold. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.